This is a new 2015 Ford Explorer. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, six-cylinder engine, and a six-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, remote start, steering wheel controls, memory seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Womack Sunshine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1510 East 6th Street Trafficway, Concordia, Kansas 66901.